It's a cool, damp day in early April. It's that in-between time, at the end of winter and the beginning of spring. The earth is waking up and the snow is gone. The ground is still brown, and trees and bushes are just beginning to leaf out. Yet there are brilliant colors to be found in the mosses and lichen. It's a common misconception that moss and lichen are the same type of organism, but they're not. We'll explore both, starting with mosses in this episode of Nearby Nature. Mosses are simple, non-flowering plants with tiny leaflets, stems, and thread-like rhizoids that attach the moss to a surface like roots do, and they can be found growing in mats or clumps, often in damp, shady locations. You can often find them carpeting woodland and forest floors and along woodland streams. Moss leaflets act as solar panels, just as the leaves on trees, ferns, and wildflowers do, working to convert light energy from the sun into sucrose, or sugars, through the process of photosynthesis, giving the moss energy to survive and grow. Mosses are non-vascular. They do not have the internal structure to transport fluids within themselves. Other plants, such as maple trees, do, which is why we are able to tap a maple tree and get sap as the fluids move up and down within the tree. Because mosses are non-vascular and they cannot transport water through their system, they grow no more than an inch or two high. They rely on surrounding moisture for water, and they are able to soak up water like a sponge. But they are also surprisingly hardy, are resistant to drying up, and can survive harsh conditions. So head out to see how many different kinds of moss you can find. Be sure to bring a hand lens or use an app on your phone to get a close-up look at these amazing miniature plants. You can record what you find in your nature journal. Moss and lichen can often be found together. To learn about lichen, be sure to check out one of our upcoming episodes at Nearby Nature from Merck Forest and Farmland Center.